In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a flattening screen without using silicone spray. Coming up. Welcome back, everybody. So the first thing we need is a screen for our flattening screen. We have one set aside that has a couple holes in the screen, which will make great for a flattening screen. Otherwise, we would have just remeshed that screen. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our screen and we're going to coat it with emulsion. Next thing I'm going to do is coat this screen with the round side of my scoop coater, and I'm going to coat it 2-in-1. Now that our screen's all coated, I'm going to take it and put it outside and let it dry in the sun, and that will also expose it, but we'll also put it on the exposure unit a little bit too. You also may need yourself a good guard dog to make sure your screen does not disappear. How's that screen looking, Apollo? While our screen is out drying in the sun, let me show you the couple things that you will need in order to create a flattening screen. And those things are a Teflon sheet that is going to be large enough in order to cover your max print size. For us, that is 12 by 18. So we have ourselves our Teflon sheet here. And you're going to need some spray adhesive. I'm going to use the 3M High Strength 90 contact adhesive. So that way, basically I want to make sure that this thing does not come off of the screen. And I'll leave some links down in the description where you can find these things. Alright, it's been a little while. Let's see if our screen is nice and dry. Alright, looks like our screen is nice and dry and exposed. Now what we're going to do is take our screen and we're going to go ahead and adhere our Teflon sheet to our screen using that spray adhesive. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I got my Teflon sheet sitting on top of a little piece of cardboard, and I'm going to take my spray adhesive and spray a liberal amount on top of this Teflon sheet. I'm going to let this thing tack up for a moment, so that way the adhesive isn't quite so wet when I apply it. Once that's finished drying, we're going to adhere it to our flattening screen. Okay, this is tacked up quite nicely. I do know with my images, on my particular screens, they start at about 5 inches. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just move it, I'm going to place mine at about 3 inches down from the top of my screen. Now that I have this nice and secured onto the screen, what I'm going to do is take some screen tape and tape off all my unsealed edges. And also I'm going to allow this to overlap just a little bit, and that will also help to make sure this thing does not go anywhere. And there you have it. Our flattening screen is all ready to go for production. Be sure to check out our next video. We'll show you guys how to use it on an automatic press. For you manual printers out there, be sure to check out our iCard on how to use a flattening screen on a manual press. The only difference is you will not need to use silicone spray. This method here will save you a lot of money from having to purchase silicone spray. So be sure to check out that video and check out our next video when we do toss this screen onto the automatic press. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget we are an official rep for Catspit Productions, so use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. You'll get $5 off your screen printing supplies or equipment purchase, and it'll help support us, help support our channel. Until next time, we'll see you later.